Marcus Rashford has been spotted putting his disappointing England snub behind him by watching an NBA game courtside in New York wearing a flashy set of grills. The Manchester United forward was in attendance for the New York Knicks clash with the Brooklyn Nets at Madison Square Garden. Rashford took in the game after being left out of England interim boss Lee Carsley's squad for their Nations League matches. The forward could be seen entering the arena with a big white hoodie and black leather trousers, but once he settled into his seat, he looked comfortable in a black t-shirt. Before the game started, Rashford was greeted by a host of NBA players including Jalen Brunson and stars of the entertainment world such as Spike Lee. And as he sat down to watch the game, the United striker, flanked by the likes of Hollywood icon Ben Stiller, appeared to have something in his mouth. It soon emerged that he was sporting a glitzy new set of grills to match his extravagant outfit. Rashford had been joined by his friend Roshan Williams, who plays for Northern Irish side Laran, with the pair having come up through the United ranks together. The star had previously travelled to Belfast to meet Williams in January, after his former teammate had signed for Laran. The trip ultimately led to Rashford being disciplined by recently sacked Man United boss Erik ten Hag after the forward had called in sick following an all-day drinking session in Belfast in previous day. Williams was with Rashford during his infamous Belfast bender in January. The pair watched as the Knicks ended up winning the New York Derby 124-122 in a thriller at the Garden. On his return to Manchester, Rashford will be eager to impress the club's new head coach Ruben Amorim, who officially started work at the club this week. The Portuguese is likely to take his preferred 3-4-3 formation with him from Sporting Lisbon, and the system will require the wider men in front three to tuck in as number 10 as well as pushing out to the flank. This is likely to suit Rashford's versatility more than that of out-and-out wingers Garnacho and Amad Diallo, and may give him the opportunity to revitalize his career. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.